go, baby.
Let's find some monkey.
I'm excited to see the monkeys.
Enggak. Kartu Jakarta mah ada, cuman harus belum diisi lagi. Jakarta, Maya Jakarta. Jadi berapa? 20.000? Ladies first.
Always first. And then little man? Terima kasih.
Woo!
Oh.
Let's see that first.
There we go. Did you get a map?
Nah. We don't have any map, but
There's a map over there. We'll take a picture of it.
right.
That would scoop you up.
Ah.
Wow, look how massive they are. Whoa.
Ini muna po Alfie. So Alfie will be crying. Let's do it. So yeah, here.
Can I take a picture of it? It's like mini Indonesia. There's no one way to do it.
No.
No.
There's no one way to do it. Oh, this one is Primate Center.
Oh, yeah. So where are we going to go? We're just going to go...
Let's go here.
We'll just keep walking.
Let's just keep walking.
Just keep walking.
It's a big one.
And there'll be breakfast in here?
Yeah, that's breakfast. It's lunchtime.
They're so massive. We have large birds called cassowaries, Yoki.
What?
We have large birds called cassowaries. And they're like that, but they're like a dinosaur. They just come up and just
Like an apiary?
kind of, yeah. Alright, let's go see some fun animals. I got these at home.
You got this at home?
Yeah.
So, let's go there.
Elephant.
Elephant.
Yeah.
Biawak. Mama biawak mo.
Oh. Water monitor. Over here.
Ah.
Gusto mo nito, biawak.
Mana?
Ini.
Oh, this is what we ate.
Really?
Yeah.
When?
Nah, you're not yet.
In
Not yet.
lizard soto.
Yep, satay lizard.
Satay lizard. Oh, over here there's another one. Oh, there's two of them.
There we go.
Three of them.
Yep.
Four of them.
5, 6.
What?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See the
Yeah.
tail? We catch them at the river and then we cook them up. There you go. Komodo.
Komodo dragon.
Komodo dragon. This one the real one. Komodo dragon. It's just like sleeping there. So cute. But there's the other.
Do you see any more?
Okay.
He wants to get in.
Yeah.
He wants to get into his house.
Let me in. Sumatran.
He's like, nah, buddy.
Let's go, buddy.
So full on. Such massive animals. They must be working on his home. I can see him working over there. Tarzan. Goodbye. alpha male.
Yeah.
What are these dudes?
Kapibara. Ah, it's kind of like a mouse. Is it?
Capybara. It's
Yeah,
Australian.
capybara.
It's
It's
the
like
largest. It's the largest land-dwelling rat.
Ah,
We used to call my mate Capybara.
really?
Yeah.
Right,
Let's
let's go.
find this giraffe.
There's no etiquette.
Oh,
That's the
oh.
Brahminic kite. It's illegal.
Where from?
Indonesia.
Indonesia?
Yeah.
Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy boy. Don't let the flies eat your food. Look at me.
That's the,
There you go, mate.
yeah, it's going right.
Oh, really?
Oh, really?
Alright.
Right, let's go.
That looks like a big place over there.
So what's inside?
How tall do they get? Up to 2.4 meters.
2.4 meters.
Seems pretty short, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's pretty short. 2.4.
Oh, 4 meters. 2 to 4 meters tall.
Oh,
I want to be a giraffe.
Yes,
I'd be the best giraffe. Alright, do we walk around that way? This way.
up to you.
I don't like making decisions.
Alright, let's go.
Go this way. Alright, let's go. I think there's a third one in there.
Oh, the total is 7 meters. See? The total is 7 meters, I think.
Definitely more than 4 meters.
Yeah, definitely.
Not sure what the other sign was saying.
Not the same.
No, I'm saying.
You have the same. You just blend. Let's see if we can find it.
Oh, what? Full of. Hey, buddy.
Hey, buddy. What are you eating, buddy? Yum, 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 yum.
I'm just chilling out there.
Yeah, it's yeah. They broke the fence.
It's Jurassic Park all over again.
Yeah. I don't see why we can't see.
This is an entrance, Yoki.
Oh, it's an entrance.
Made us walk all the way around it.
Yeah.
We have to
We
keep
are
going.
in the west entrance.
Alright, so we know where we are. Alright.
We are here. So we got down there.
Alright.
It's not like
Classic Yoki.
yeah. Let's find some gorillas.
Yeah. Oh, look.
Another one.
That little dude. Little dude, he's shaking his tail.
The chicken nose.
Freaking nose.
Yeah. This way.
Not that way. We just came from that way. That's where all the emus and stuff is on the other side of that.
You know the way, you know.
I just know where we've been. Look, Yoki. Red paint.
Yeah. First time. Last time.
Really like these elephants. They're so crazy. Surely there's something in. Here we go. Here's some animals, Yoki. I can do that for you. As long as we stop by a lactating room.
Yeah. Maybe just later we can go to the end.
Who are these little dudes? They have to be deer, don't they?
Yeah, it's a good day. But, it's wallaby. No, it's not.
No, it's not wallaby. I know
Yeah.
wallabies.
It's a deer.
Right, the ones with the horns.
It's a deer.
It's a deer. It's Adel.
It's a deer. So we come from there, right?
Yeah.
Let's keep go that way. Yeah, and then go right to find some gorilla.
Alright. Ah. Oh, oh. It's gonna be pretty cool. Hopefully we get to see all of these.
Yeah,
This will
I
be
think
so
all of
cool.
these.
Wow, I'm excited now.
Itu alat-alat itu loh. Ini. Rokok ada? Minum dulu, minum dulu. Iya.
So look in here.
Oke.
Namanya siapa?
Yoki.
Namanya seperti Yopi.
Ya. Masih. How we go that way? We go to a training center.
I don't know. Let's go this way. Oh yeah, lactating? Oh, look at him. He's so cute.
Sama-sama?
Sam. Be perfect time to have a cigarette.
Yeah.
Anjing ada nyamuk.
Nyamuk ada anjing. Want to take a picture with him?
Yeah, right. Let's do it.
Dia fotoin deh.
Kenapa?
Oh, he's my little man. Oh. If I could, I'd take you home with me. I'd save you.
Bangga gue mau
Oh,
kagak gigitin
really?
nyamuk.
Yeah.
Capuchin. Capuchin monkey. It's kind of like at the museum.
Or Ace Ventura.
But Ace Ventura, like up at the museum, they took the key.
Oh no.
Oh, stop scratching. Stop. Stop it.
Oh.
You get the squirrel tail. It's up there. He's not interested in us.
No, he wants to get as far away from us as possible.
Yeah. No. I'm not gonna cross by you. Go.
We're not going that way, Yoki. This dude's doing tough laps. Wait! What are you doing over there, big fella?
He just keeps circling around. He's avoiding us.
He's doing tough laps. And come back over. Oh, wow. Wow.
Eating an apple, a tomato, oh, a carrot. See that big hand?
And he's got one in his foot there.
He just hide there. He dropped it. He dropped the apple.
Sendiri.
Here's another one.
Wow, look at him climb. What a dude. Hey, big fella.
Oh, this.
That's us.
Yeah, it's a new primate.
Come be a primate friend. Wherever, little buddy. No. You can see him. There he is. Little dude. Little dudes. Hey, little buddies. Hey. Hey. Hey, little buddy. Hey. Hey. Hey, little buddy. What are you doing there? Just chilling out. Just chilling. Hey. Look at this little baby over here.
Where?
Over here.
That?
Yeah, look, there's one. They're so cute.
They want some baby on the food.
Give me some. Nah.
No.
Nah.
No. The little man. Hey, mate.
Hey, mate, what's going on? Look how long its tail is.
Meters, probably. Or just a tail. Was looking at their place. Maybe that's the gorilla. Yeah. Another gorilla. That's alright. Let's go. Yeah, you can't, man. Yeah. Gorilla now.
Where's the orangutan?
It's Maris. It's Maris. Some of them can use sign language.
Really?
Yeah.
Is that how you communicate to them?
Nice. Nice. This smiling. Dan Garo bago. He's just chilling.
Yeah, just chilling. Just picking his fingernails. I think this dude's real monkey magic, like.
Monkey magic, like.
Yeah. Come home, my brother. We found a weak spot. Keep going, big fella.
Keep going.
Oh, this dude's coming over. Goes, you found a weak spot to pick out? Yeah, that's how we're escaping. That's how we're getting out. Look, he's interested. Look.
Yeah.
It's okay, man. I'll break that with you. Give me a stick. Yep.
Connection is gonna be good because they're not very laggy.
Yep.
If you don't have a connection, even inside the cave. See, it's smoking.
It's on the other side of the fence.
Yeah. Ah, yeah.
Oh, maybe they're a different type of monkeys.
Some monkeys that smoking.
Yep.
Smoking monkey.
See how they have to put a big watery bridge there? Look, that one can try to bite.
Yeah.
I think it'd be really hard to keep a monkey in.
Yeah. Kalau misalkan ini kayaknya kalau lagi
40 years later.
Kita kepikiran kan?
I'm not sure if there's anything meant to be there. I swear it was over that way.
Inside?
I think so.
But it's really loud, right?
Yeah.
Really a lot of place
To go. Traditional soap.
Traditional tree.
Yeah, found in the deep jungle of Orangutan Mountain. Right, I'm going to go look at this dude quickly. I really like that first monkey. Yeah. Hey, hey, buddy. What are you up to today? Just hanging around, mate.
What are you doing, mate?
Gibbons?
Yeah, Gibbons.
Gibbons.
Oh, this is what oa mean. Oa.
Hey. Hey, you dudes.
Send
See, they're all
different-
in like their little monkey maintenance day.
Yeah, but it's kind of like in the one in the front.
Yeah, he is. Hey,
Hey,
hey.
hey, hey, hey. Hey, hey.
This is a little flip.
Hey.
Wee wees.
Hey.
He's just sitting there upside down.
Yeah.
This dude over here just did it.
Hey.
And now he's being upside down. What?
He's being upside down.
What?
Damn.
You gonna poop too?
If he's pooping, probably just the poop jump over the fence.
When poop,
Yeah.
always pee. When
Yeah.
pee, sometimes poop.
And sometimes.
He just pooped.
Nah.
He's pooping upside down.
No.
Yeah, he just did.
Well. Yeah, maybe. Oh wow, you're great. You're doing good job, bro.
What? Might have to be the highlight of the day, that.
Yeah, like
The upside down pee poop.
people.
Well, stop eating the leaves, Jokey.
No, I just smell it.
No, you don't. You eat it. I know.
Where do we go now? There's a cat with a ball and cat ball.
Classic cat ball. What's this dude's name?
Um,
Bull Mikado? Meow.
the other one,
Is it?
Yeah.
Man, that was greatest.
the greatest highlight.
Casey, I hope you clipped that. We'll remember what time it was. It was around 3 minutes 25. 3 minutes 25. There was an upside down monkey peeing and pooping. Upside down. Alright.
Can you smell it?
This dude's pretty swingy.
Yeah, it's the same but different.
I think I feel like
What is it?
we're like that type of monkey and me, like we're like kindred animals. Come on, try to outdo the other monkey, the pee poop.
Yeah, and upside down.
Upside down pee poop. That was fun.
Yeah,
What are you looking for?
where's the other one? There was at least 2 monkeys.
Look how high his enclosure is. You'd have heaps of fun in it. Oh look, his head banging. Oh man, I'd like to see this tiger. I'd like to find out what it was doing that massive roar. What else could it be? It could be a lion or a tiger, but you said something too. Hippo.
A hippo.
Maybe it could be a hippo.
Yeah, it's a hippo because it's very loud. Tigers doesn't have that kind of sound.
Don't you talk about my tigers like that. They don't meow, they roar.
Yeah, they roar, not meow.
Ready?
There's the monkey. There's the monkey. 1, 2, 3. New species.
Yep, new special.
It's me.
It's this little dude.
Maybe that's not a monkey. That's a chipmunk. You said it?
Oh, yeah.
Cappuccino.
Cappuccino monk.
Cappuccino.
Cappuccino. Lactating station. They moved them closer. You could be disabled, go to the toilet and lactate at the same time.
At the same time.
Oh yeah, so camels, orangutans, crocodile down that way. Look. Lion nursery.
Yeah, it's a Ragunan lake. The lake.
Yep.
It's a the giraffe. Orangutan. And the camel.
But look over here. There's baby tiger nursery. Or is that just nursery in general?
Just nursery in general.
Oh, okay. You okay? I don't think Adele's going to make it.
You can't make it.
There's a lactating room. Zuka, if you're watching, there's another lactating room there. It's called Go Mummy. Just for emergency lactating. This will be the best part of the day. I just don't understand it. I've never seen them anywhere else. Why aren't they just everywhere?
Everywhere, see that?
No, but like back at the Mall of Indonesia and that. Just big sign with flashy lights. Emergency lactating
but there is.
room.
I saw one.
Is there?
Yeah, but it's a room, not a box.
Oh, it's hilarious. Look, it's killing me. Traditional.
Yeah.
Traditional emergency lactating room.
Jungle lactating room. Oh, there's a bear.
Get out of town. It's Baloo from Jungle Book.
Yeah.
It's like a werewolf monkey.
Maybe it's a what's it called? No, it's not a monkey. It's a wolf probably. I don't know what. Oh.
Whatever it looks pretty cool.
It's like a raccoon.
But like a dog fox raccoon
Yeah.
with a bit of
dog.
cat in it.
Cat, fox, dog, raccoon.
This guy got like a long tail. Oh, it's gonna go inside.
Yeah.
Just like all the rest of them.
Yeah.
Cheers, buddy. Cheers, mate.
Oh, it's beautiful. It's called binturong.
Where's it from?
Indonesia, Sumatra, Borneo Island. He eat meat. Oh, it's omnivore.
Yeah, this dude. Is he dead?
I think it's dead. Oh no,
Uh-huh.
he's still alive.
I don't think he can get up.
Yeah.
I don't know if he's doing that on purpose or not. Look at them all in there. There's heaps of them.
Yeah. That's not a rock. It's a turtle.
Which one?
All of them.
Nah, they can't all be turtles, can they?
See the head?
But they're all turtles. I swear I thought they were rocks.
They're looking at us all.
There's this dude coming down from up there. Look.
Yeah.
There's like a whole mud wave with him.
And bring all the water down here. They need more water.
I like this dude. Here it comes. Another capybara? There's heaps over here. What? How come I only ever find one and I will have to look a little bit somewhere else and there's heaps of them?
They can dig, right? It's a
Think so.
rat. It's a rat, of course they can dig. Dig into butthole.
The largest rats. It looks like maybe a tiger enclosure over that way.
tiger.
Definitely no tigers.
Yeah.
There's definitely not as many orangutans as advertised. There is plenty, which I've never seen in the wild before, emergency lactating rooms.
Yeah, emergency.
There's plenty in there. Alright, let's go home, troopers. What's that?
Bakal, yeah.
Bucktail?
Oh, no.
Hot.
Panas.
Yeah. Good.
Oh.
Sure what that is. I'm not sure what taste that is.
Macam jauh.
Peanut.
No.
No? Good. Good. Very good. How much? How much? How much? 5,000? No. 50,000? What is it? I have no idea what that is. It's like a mild sweet nut. Hey Yoki, what's this? Pop out. What's the flavor?
Kacang hijau.
Green soybean.
Green soybean. Ah, okay. Green soybean. It's green soybean flavor. Too. On the field. So it's like a fluffy, just a fluffy dough with green soybean flavor. Jump the Jim's green soybean. Crazy this goes. I think it was like 10 cents or something. 20? I think I was 10 or 4 out.
Go to ham.
Finally got it.
Bongkar error. Error dia.